Good afternoon. Welcome to the forecast discussion for July 22nd, 2014. We're coming to the close of July. Only about 9 days left. And then is the start of August. And we are in for a bit of a change in our weather pattern that's going to support some rather cool weather conditions for the last couple of days of July and for the start of August. But before we get there, we have to deal with another onslaught of, I guess you'd call it hot and humid weather conditions. It's definitely humid. I can't really call this hot. 89, 90 degrees for a high tomorrow is not impressively or oppressively hot. Okay, it's summer. It's July after all. So let's see what we have here for temperatures. Well, right now, not all that bad. It's clearly increasing humidity with dew points in the mid to upper 60s throughout much of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Temperatures range from the lower to mid 80s over much of the region, a few upper 70s mixed in there as well, with some overcast cloud cover and some influence from the Atlantic Ocean. Overall, though, really not that bad for this time of year. Mid 80s is about where we should be for this time of year. When we take a look at the latest surface map, you have high pressure finally east of New Jersey, and that's producing a southwesterly wind around 5 miles per hour. The next threat for widespread showers and thunderstorms is going to be associated with this cold front that's going to move very slowly tomorrow afternoon on through Thursday morning with showers and thunderstorms. A few of these thunderstorms could be severe, but I think the best potential for that is going to be up in New England and away from our neck of the woods. Still, some of these thunderstorms could be strong. Thereafter, see this high pressure system right here? This high pressure system with temperatures under it in the lower to mid 60s will be building into the region for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, producing very comfortable weather conditions, certainly dry conditions, and low humidity. When we take a look at the latest radar, you can see really not much going on out there. I don't really expect much. Could see an isolated shower in the afternoon, let's say around northeastern Pennsylvania. But other than that, really not expecting much of anything going on. As far as the infrared satellite picture is concerned, this upper level low will retrograde towards Texas and will not have any impact on the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Here's our divide between the truly hot and humid air masses that have basically been locked in around, Florida, the somewhat tropical air mass that's in place over our neck of the woods, and then the strong polar air mass that is driving through the northern plains right now. So this cold front is what we're going to have to watch. But notice this disturbance here is focused more towards southeastern Canada. That's an important observation. That tells us the best lifting and dynamics will be focused primarily to the north of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area for tomorrow afternoon. It also tells us the cold front likely will be slowing down as it's moving through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, which means showers will linger into Thursday. Of course, we do have some activity in the tropics. We have Tropical Depression number 2, not all that impressive. It has some thunderstorms around the low-level center, which is hard to find at this time. And it has winds around 35 miles per hour. It's moving due west at around 15 miles per hour. I really don't expect much out of this tropical depression, but we'll keep an eye on it. The forecast right now is for it to dissipate over the Lesser Antilles and not have an impact on our neck of the woods. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance using the Penn State EWAL website, and we're going to use the European model guidance. Now, for this afternoon, look for high pressure primarily in control with scattered cloud cover and temperatures in the lower to mid 80s throughout the region. Certainly you'll feel the increase in humidity though, that is for sure. For tomorrow, a stronger southwesterly flow. During the morning hours, look for some areas of fog, temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows. In the afternoon, the high temperatures will depend on just how fast the showers and thunderstorms develop over your location. So I'm thinking around the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, right in that corridor from Philadelphia through central Jersey up to New York City and up towards central Connecticut, we'll have plenty of sunshine in the afternoon, and that's going to allow temperatures to run into the upper 80s to lower 90s. And with dew points in the lower 70s, that's going to lead to some rather sticky and uncomfortable weather conditions. Towards eastern Pennsylvania, especially northeastern Pennsylvania, look for more like mid to upper 80s. And the reason why is because you'll see more showers and thunderstorms develop a little bit earlier in those locations. And then for tomorrow evening on through Thursday morning, the cold front will slowly move through the region, producing widespread showers and thunderstorms. Again, I think the strongest thunderstorms will be focused over New England and not over our region. So that's some good news. These thunderstorms will feature very heavy downpours, frequent lightning, small hail, and wind gusts over 60 miles per hour. So we got to watch out for this thunderstorm threat. I think the primary threat here, though, is going to be the heavy downpours. On Thursday evening, that cold front moves off the coast. High pressure takes hold. So Thursday morning, look for showers. Thursday afternoon, clearing skies. Thursday evening, a significant drop in humidity. Temperatures on Thursday will range from the mid to upper 60s for lows, lower to mid 80s for highs, and dew points falling from the mid 60s in the morning into the mid 50s. And you'll definitely feel that difference in the dew points dropping and the decrease in humidity by the afternoon and evening hours. Then for the weekend, really, it's going to be absolutely beautiful. Once again, we're lining up for high pressure to be in control all the way through Sunday with scattered cloud cover and, of course, dry conditions. Temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows, lower to mid 80s for highs. Very comfortable weather conditions. And then on Monday, warm up just a little bit ahead of an area of low pressure with temperatures in the mid to upper 60s for lows, mid to upper 80s for highs, but a threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the day as another strong cold front drives through the region and an impressive upper-level low over southeastern Canada transports some rather chilly air into the eastern United States. That's your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.